In this video you have been told about the color code of the telephone cable. Color codes are only up to 25 pairs. There are 4 groups of 25 pairs for 100 pairs, 1, 2, 3 and 4 each group wrapped up separate colored tapes. Like the video and subscribe to the channel, thanks. Now start the video. Open the cable 1 foot. The pairs become disturbed in case of opening less than 100 pairs of cable contains 4 groups of 25 pairs. Each group is wrapped in separate color tape. Group 1. White and blue. Group 2. White and orange. Group 3. White and green. Group 4. White and brown. Separate the white wires first. Pair number 1. White and blue. Pair number 2. White and orange. Pair number 3. White and green. Pair number 4. White and brown. Pair number 5. White and slate. We'll separate the red color to the second number. Pair number 6. Red and blue. Pair number 7. Red and orange. Pair number 8. Red and green. Pair number 9. Red and brown. Pair number 10. Red and slate. Now we will separate the black wire. Pair number 11. Black and blue. Pair number 12. Black and orange. Pair number 13. Black and green. Pair number 14. Black and brown. Pair number 15. Black and slate. Now we will separate the yellow wire. Pair number 16. Yellow and blue. Pair number 17. Yellow and orange. Pair number 18. Yellow and green. Pair number 19. Yellow and brown. Pair number 20. Yellow and slate. This is the last color, violet and white. Pair number 21. Violet and blue. Pair number 22. Violet and orange. Pair number 23. Violet and green. Pair number 24. Violet and brown. Pair number 25. Violet and slate. Color code is only 25. Then Group 2's first pair number will be 26, and the last will be 50. Group 3's first pair will be 51, and the last 75. group 4's first pair 76, and the last pair 100 will be. Like this group 2, its first pair white and blue will be 26th pair. Hope you will understand. Thanks for watching the video.